Have you ever felt someone's energy without them saying a word, like stepping into a room and instantly sensing the tension or warmth? What if I told you your thoughts are constantly broadcasting invisible waves, and everything you attract is simply an echo of your own energy? Welcome to my channel. I'm really glad you're here, because today we're diving into one of the most mysterious and powerful concepts ever discussed. Something many believe is shaping our lives whether we realize it or not, the law of attraction. But this isn't just about wishing for good things to happen. It's much deeper than that. So let me ask you, do you believe your childhood experiences could still be shaping what you attract today? Let's start with something simple: our bodies. You and I, we're made of cells, tiny particles that are always moving, always dancing. Even after death, many of these cells keep vibrating for a while. And according to ancient thinkers and modern believers in the law of attraction, this movement is energy, pure energy. And here's the mind-blowing part: this energy is shaped by our thoughts. But not all thoughts are equal. Our minds have two layers. The first one you already know, it's your conscious mind. That voice in your head that's always talking, questioning, analyzing. Then there's the second part, your subconscious mind. That deep hidden space full of beliefs, emotions, habits, and feelings we don't even notice. And guess what? That's where most of your real programming lives. According to many philosophers and scientists of the mind, your subconscious was built in childhood. In the early years of your life, everything around you, your parents, your environment, even the tone of someone's voice, was shaping the foundation of who you are. And just like a building stands on its foundation, your life is standing on those early imprints. If that foundation was filled with love, safety, and encouragement, great. But if it was shaped by chaos, criticism, or neglect, it might be sending out signals you're not even aware of, signals that attract more of the same. But here's the good news: you're not stuck. You can change it. Yes, it's difficult, but it's possible. It starts with awareness. Your conscious mind, the voice you're using right now to listen and think, can choose new thoughts. It can dream, imagine, and create ideas. But the real magic happens when these thoughts sink deep into your subconscious. That's when they become your new foundation. Why is that important? Because if your subconscious is filled with fear or negativity, even your most positive ideas will pass through that filter and get twisted. That's why some incredibly intelligent people with all the degrees and achievements still feel stuck, unlucky, or drained. Their foundation, built in childhood, is working against them. Not intentionally, but automatically. So, what's the solution? You have to rewire that foundation, and that starts with a simple practice. Choose positive focus. Every time a negative thought pops up, catch it. Pause. Reframe it. Look at what's good in your life, even the smallest thing. A warm meal, a kind smile, a beautiful sunset. Feel that moment fully. That feeling, that shift, is energy. And every time you do it, you send out a new signal. Think of your energy like a radio wave. Whatever signal you're sending, that's the one the universe is tuning into. Positive thoughts attract positive people, opportunities, and even ideas. Negative thoughts? Well, you already know the answer. Now, let's bring it back to that question from earlier. Can your childhood still be shaping what you attract? The answer is yes, but only until you decide to change the script. When you take responsibility for your energy and start feeding your subconscious with positivity, you stop being a victim of the past. You become the creator of your future. So choose your thoughts, choose your energy, and life will echo back the very frequency you send. If this message resonated with you, take a second to reflect. And please don't forget to subscribe for more. The energy you send out today could be the beginning of something extraordinary.